Can you see the screen problem?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. Hera Begum, can you unmute your video? Okay. A concave mirror gives an image 3 times as large as object placed at a distance of 20 centimeters from it. For the image to be real, the focal length should be option A 10 centimeter, option B 15 centimeter, option C 20 centimeter, and option D 20 centimeter. A concave mirror gives the image 3 times as large as the object. The position of the image is represented as V. The position of the object is U. In the problem, the image is 3 times the size of the object. Okay. And the object is placed at 20 centimeters from it. U is equal to 20. Put negative sign because it is a concave mirror. The concave mirror, the object will be placed in the left-hand side. The position of this object is U. It is measured opposite to the direction of light. Therefore, it is considered as a negative value. For the image to be real, the focal length should be. Therefore, we have to find out F value. Use 2 formula. One is mirror formula, another one magnification formula. Another one magnification formula. What is the magnification formula? M is equal to V by U. Therefore, V is equal to, what is this? Listen. V is 3 times of U. V is 3 times of U. That means V by U is equal to 3. Substitute over here, M is equal to 3. Okay. V by U. Next, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. We have to find out F value. Substitute the value of U. And V. See, V is 3 times of U. U is 20, that is minus 20. Therefore, it becomes minus 60. Therefore, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V means 1 divided by minus 60. 1 divided by U minus 20. Therefore, here 1 by F is equal to, take LCM, 60 minus 1, 3 times, that is minus 4 divided by 20. How much? 1 by 5 minus. Therefore, F is equal to minus 5. That is the answer. But the answer என்ன வந்திருக்கு? 15 வந்திருக்கா? ஓ 60 இல்ல Sorry.
Denominator.
Sorry. 60. இப்போ 50 எவ்வளோ வரும்? 15 4 times 15. Sorry. அப்போ
Yes.
F is equal to 15. Deepak, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Madam Ranganayagi, can you unmute your video so that we can interact? That is a mandatory for attending the online class. Since you are a NEET student, you must be serious. Are you there? இங்க போயிட்டாங்க, கேட்கவும் ஓடிட்டாங்க. ஆளக்கானோம். Shall we go to the next problem? Okay. The speed at which the image of the luminous point of the object is moving. If the luminous point object is moving with the speed v0 toward the spherical mirror along its axis is option A. Option A is Vi is equal to minus Vo. Option B is just a minute. Option B is Vi is equal to V0 into R divided by 2U minus R. Option C, Vi is equal to V0 into 2U minus R divided by R. The last option, Vi is equal to V0 R divided by 2U minus R whole square. Minus R whole square. How to find out the velocity of the image? Any idea, Deepak? We have two formula. One is M is equal to P by U. Another one, mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. How the velocity can be derived from these two available formulas? See, let us what is the mirror formula? 1 by V.
1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F.
Okay. The V and U are distance or position of the object and mirror. It does not indicate the velocity. You don't confuse the V as a velocity. No? velocity கிடையாது. நம்ம இங்க மிரர்ல என்ன பார்க்கறோம்னா அது position of the image or position of the object. Usually we are denoting the velocity v. அப்ப நம்ம இங்க என்ன பண்றோம்னா vi ன்னு போடுவோம். இங்க vங்கிறது position of the image. Let us take the velocity or speed of the image vi. Similarly, velocity of the object, let it be v naught. Okay. For the given lengths, focal length will be constant. For the given mirror, focal length will be constant. Depends upon the position of the object. The position of the image will be differed. Upon the variable are u and v. Constant f. Therefore, to get the velocity of the object and mirror, the above formula is differentiated with respect to time. With respect to time. If the mirror formula with respect to time differentiate on both sides. இதை differentiate பண்ணுங்க தீபக் with respect to t. யாராவது சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். See 1 by x differentiate பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? 1 by x differentiate பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? minus 1 divided by
minus 1 x power 2.
கரெக்டாமா இது? அப்போ அதே மாதிரி இதை சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். 1 by v differentiate பண்ணா minus 1 divided by
minus 1 v square.
1 v square.
dv divided by dt.
dx.
இந்த fங்கிறது கான்ஸ்டன்ட் டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா 0 தானே வேல்யூ. அப்போ 1 by f 0. அப்போ மைனஸ் இங்க பாருங்க 1 by u squared du by dt. ஆல்ரெடி இங்க ஒரு மைனஸ் இருக்கு, இங்க ஒரு மைனஸ் வரும். இப்போ மைனஸ் ஆஃப் மைனஸ் என்ன ஆயிடும்? பிளஸ் ஆயிடும்.
Plus.
1 by u squared du by dt. Left hand side minus 1 by v squared dv by dt. We know that v is the distance, u is the distance. Rate of change of displacement is nothing but velocity. Okay va? அப்போ இது வந்து vங்கிறது இங்க distance. அப்போ இது என்னது? Rate of change of displacement தானே. Therefore, it can be denoted as velocity of another image. Come to the right hand side. 1 by u squared du by dt is velocity of the object. Now, the question is find out the velocity of the image. Velocity of the image. The right hand side, sorry, left hand side, vi. என்ன பண்ணலாம்? மைனஸ் சைடோட அப்படி கொண்டு போயிடுங்க, அந்த சைடு கொண்டு போயிடுங்க. That is minus v by u whole squared போடலாமா? Into v naught. This is the final expression, but the answers are in terms of u and r. See the answer. It's different from this. Therefore, we are going to modify this answer in terms of r and u. Again, let us use the mirror formula. 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Since we have to convert that expression in terms of r and u, the f is modified as in terms of r. We know that r is equal to, sorry, f is equal to r by 2, half of the radius. Understand? About 1 by f na 1 by f is equal to, சொல்லுங்க, 2 by r. சொல்லலாமா? Expression is in terms of u and r. இப்போ இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல இருக்க இந்த விக்கு பதிலா நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், யூன்னு போடலாம். அப்போ 1 by v is equal to 2 by r minus இது u actually 1 by u, கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? Take the LCM ru 2u minus r. This is 1 by u. Therefore, finally, v is equal to ru divided by 2u minus r. கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? இப்போ substitute the value of v over here minus v ru divided by 2u minus r. ஆல்ரெடி அங்க ஒரு டினாமினேட்டர்ல v வரப்போகுது இல்ல, v is a v divided by u whole squared into v naught. அப்போ u get cancelled. அப்போ the final expression becomes minus r divided by 2u minus r whole squared v naught. This is the final answer. We have modified the above formula in terms of u and r. Understand? Any doubt? Okay. The option is D. So, if you want to calculate the velocity of the image and velocity of the object, you have to differentiate the mirror formula with respect to time, provided f is constant.
Yes.
Okay. An object is placed in the front of convex mirror of radius of curvature 20 centimeter, its image is formed 8 centimeter behind the mirror. The object distance is 20 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 60 centimeter, and 80 centimeter. Object distance, convex mirror. Usually the object will be placed in the left-hand side of the mirror. The distance is measured from the pole to the object. Therefore, it is considered as a negative value. Therefore, U is equal to minus 20. Oh, radius of curvature, sorry. Object is in the front of the convex mirror of radius R. Correct? An object is placed in front of the convex mirror of radius of curvature 20 centimeter. The image is formed 8 centimeter behind the mirror. What is the object distance? So you have to find out the U value. Okay. V is given as 8 centimeter. Okay. And R is 20 centimeter. This is the convex mirror. Object will be usually placed in the left-hand side. This is the pole. For this mirror, center is here. That is a radius of curvature. Focal length will be like this. The distances are measured in the direction of ray of light. Therefore, R is considered as a another positive value. Another thing, the image in this condition is obtained behind the mirror. Together, this distance also measured from the pole in the positive direction. Therefore, V is also positive. How to find out U? Very simple question. Can you do? Just to substitute the value in the mirror equation and tell me the answer, please. F is equal to half of the radius. That is 20 divided by 2, 10 centimeter. But we have to find out U value.
Forty centimeters, sir. Option B.
Very good, very good. That is minus ma?
Yes, sir. Minus 40.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. Minus 40, sir.
Right. Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
But option positive கொடுத்திருக்காங்க sir.
அது ஒன்றும் problem இல்லை. Usually in all the conditions, whether it is a convex mirror or concave mirror, the object will be placed in the left hand side. Automatically it will be a negative side. Don't worry about that. Sometimes if answer minus 80 plus 80 அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருந்தா தான் உங்களுக்கு கன்ஃபியூஷன் வரும். இப்போ இங்க இதுல ப்ராப்ளமே இல்லை, எல்லாமே பாசிட்டிவ் சைட். All the values are different. Therefore, definitely it will be a 80 centimeter. Okay, sorry, correct, 8 centimeter. Okay, right. Next class போலாமா Deepak?
Yes.
What about other students Deepak? உனக்கு தான் தெரியும் என்ன பண்றாங்க. மழையில எல்லாம் they are busy with the domestic goods. Next problem. Two objects A and B, when placed in turn in front of the concave mirror, gives the images of equal size. The focal length of the concave mirror is 7.5 centimeter, and the size of the object A is 3 times the size of the object B. The distance of B from the mirror, if A is placed 30 centimeter from the mirror, is two objects A and B, when placed in turn in front of the concave mirror, give the equal size image. The image obtained by placing the object A and B will be in the same size. That is a concept. Say that means I is the image. Let us represent the image as I. Image of the A is equal to image of the B. That's the first condition. The focal length of the concave mirror is 7.5 centimeter. Focal length. Is it plus or minus? This is the concave mirror. Focal length in the point focus. This length is called the focal length. Is it minus or plus?
Plus.
எப்படி பிளஸ் வரும் பாருங்க. டைரக்ஷன் இப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு. Ray of light இப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு. I am measuring the distance from the pole to the focus in this direction. Opposite ல வருது. அப்போ இது என்னது?
Minus.
சைன் கன்வென்ஷன் கரெக்டா போடுங்க, அப்பதான் நமக்கு ஆன்சர் கரெக்டா வரும். சரி, இப்போ minus 7.5 centimeter. Size of the object A is 3 times the size of the image. Say O is the size of the object. Let it be 3 times the size of the object. Size of the object A is 3 times the size of the object B. The distance of B from the mirror, if A placed 30 centimeter from it. Question is, find out the distance of object B from the mirror, provided the object A is placed from the mirror at 30 centimeter. These are the given data. Now, we have only two formula. One is magnification formula, another one mirror formula.
Mirror.
These data, automatically you can get the answer. Try. I will also do. Let us check the values. Kindly try the problem. When the ratios are given, or when the relation between the two quantities are given, you should approach or you should find out the ratio of the given values. Say here, I am going to calculate the magnification ratio of the object A and B. Substitute the value here. IA, OA. Reverse la pottingna, OB divided by IB. Now IA, OA, OB, IB. How it is related? They have given the relation between IA and IB and OB, OA. IA is equal to IB. IA is equal to IB. OB divided by OA, 1 by 3. Is it? Correct. IA, IB cancel panidala because both are equal. Usually, to find out the U or to find out the V, we need at least two quantities, either U or F. In this problem, they have given only the F value. We have another formula of F in terms of, another formula of M in terms of F and U. In terms of F and U, M is equal to F divided by U. Use this formula and find out the UB. Say this can be expressed as FA and UA. Similarly, MB, FB minus UB. Correct? Now, MA divided by MB becomes FA minus UA. FB minus UB divided by FB. Are you following? If you listen, in this problem, the focal length of the mirror A and B for the object A and B will be same because same mirror is used for the two objects. Image is a mirror is same, but two objects are used. Therefore, FA should be equal to FB. Understand? ஒரே மிரர் தான் யூஸ் பண்றோம். மிரருக்கு F வந்து எப்பவுமே கான்ஸ்டன்ட் தான், அது மாறாது. அப்போ let us cancel FA and FB. And the expression becomes final. என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Let us substitute the values. FB minus UB. In the denominator, FA minus UB. Next, MA divided by MB is equal to 1 by 3. Correct? That is equal to FB minus UB, FA minus UA. இதுல known value என்ன இருக்கு? F இருக்கு. F எப்படி எடுத்திருக்கோம்? F minus 7.5. See the given data minus 7.5. Now substitute the value of FB minus 7.5. UB have to be found out. UB has to be found out. And again FA minus 7.5. Minus UA is given. UA is actually the position of the object. You have to put the negative sign over here because it is measured from the pole to the left hand side in the opposite direction of ray of light. Therefore, minus of minus plus. If you simplify this, you can find out the UB value. Can you tell the answer by simplifying the last one? அதை மட்டும் simplify பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். Oh.
$15, sir. 1
Very good. Very good. Very good. Answer, is it a positive or negative? Ma? It should come as a negative value.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
correct? Yeah.
Minus.
Yes, yes. Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. An object is placed in the front of spherical mirror of focal length f. If x and x dash respectively represent the distance of the object and the mirror, distance of the object and the image from the focus, then f is equal to x plus s dash, b is equal to f dash is equal to x dash. Option C, f is equal to x minus x dash. Option D, f is equal to x plus x dash, depending upon whether the image is real or virtual. And an object is placed in the front of the spherical mirror of focal length f. If x and x dash respectively represent the distance of the object and the image from the focus. That is important. Focus இருந்து object distance வந்து என்னது x. யூசுவலா இப்படி இமேஜின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், இப்போ this is the focus, this is the center. Let the place the object work here. இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்துல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா, யூசுவலா இந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் எப்படி எடுத்துக்கிறோம்? u. This is the focus. This distance is measured as f. Focal length is represented as f. If x and x dash represent the distance of the object from the focus, இதுதான் focus. இங்க இருந்து எவ்வளவு டிஸ்டன்ஸ்? x. அப்போ இங்க இருந்து எவ்வளவு? that is a u. f plus x அப்படி எழுதலாமா? Is it correct? ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது என்ன? We have to measure the distance always from the pole. But in this problem, the distance of the object is given from the focus point. That is taken as f. அப்ப அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்க distance வந்து small f. ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா it will be the position of the object. Similarly, v is equal to f plus x dash. With this, we have to find out what is the relation between f, x and x dash. Use this condition in the mirror equation. We can automatically arrive the answer. Try. Then you have to take the LCM. Cross multiply பண்ணுங்க. இந்த நியூமரேட்டர்ல ஜஸ்ட் அடிஷன் தான், அதனால ஹோல் பிராக்கெட்ல எல்லாத்தையும் போட்டுடலாம். ஓகேங்களா? இந்த சைடு a plus 2 multiply பண்ணுங்க f squared, then f x dash, then f x, then x x dash. இதை அடிச்சிடலாம். Okay. Next என்ன பண்ணலாம்? ஆன்சர் எப்படி பாருங்க. ஆன்சர் வந்துச்சு, but I have a mistake. Kindly check this. I think I have made a mistake. Oh, see here. Actually, we have made a mistake here. Plus no. Plus இருக்கா? இங்க நம்ம மைனஸ் போட்டோம். Okay. நாலே இங்க பிளஸ், அப்போ இங்க பிளஸ், இங்க பிளஸ். Now we will get the we get the answer. Option B. Understand, students? Okay. We'll do one more problem. Shall we go to the next problem? Okay. When object is kept at the distance of 30 centimeter from the concave mirror, the image is formed at the distance of 10 centimeter. If the object is moved with the speed 9 meter per second, the speed with which the image moves. Yesterday, we saw the problem related to the speed of the image and the object. That problem is related to plane mirror. In the plane mirror, the velocity of the image is 2 times the velocity of the object. We discussed in the last class. But it is here, it is not a plane mirror. It is a, what is the type of mirror?
Concave.
Concave mirror. That condition should not be used here. You have to arrive the actual condition from the given data. In the first, second problem, we did the problem related to velocity of the object and velocity of the image. For that, we differentiated the mirror equation in terms of t. In terms of t. Here also, the problem is related to the speed. Therefore, again, let us use that mirror equation and differentiate that equation with respect to the time. You can get the velocity of the image and the object. Try. Is it correct? மேல நியூமரேட்டர்ல 100 வந்துரும், டினாமினேட்டர்ல 900. கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? இப்போ 9. இது ரொம்ப important type of problem. Velocity கேட்டாங்கன்னா you have to differentiate the mirror equation with respect to time. Automatically we can get the velocity of the image and the object. Okay, right. With that we finish today. In the next class we'll go to the refraction problems. Okay, is there anything to want to say regarding this class? ஏதாவது உங்களுக்கு புரியாம இருக்கா? இல்ல ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஒப்பீனியன் வியூ யாராவது சொல்லுங்க. என்னம்மா பேகம் அண்ட் ரெங்கநாயகி கேர்ள்ஸ்லாம் மற்ற அவங்களுக்கு வராத ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்ல ஆப்சன்டீஸ்லாம் அவங்களுக்கு தான் புரியுதுன்னு சொன்னாங்களா? சரி, மேபி நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் என்னைக்கு வரும் நமக்கு? மண்டேனா?
Monday.
Okay, we'll go to the refraction problem. Okay, thank you.